Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you new here, hi. So you guys, I purchased this wig from off the TikTok shop. The hair company is called Bling Hair. So this is my second time purchasing this wig, and right here I got some glue. I can't even remember where I got it from, but it seems to do the job. But this is my second time ordering this wig, and it's really easy to install. It's nice and soft, it's long, and it's affordable, so it's definitely a win. I'm not the best at putting my wigs on, but this is how I do it, how I do my own install, and it's just easy. So it's already come like bleach and all of that stuff, and I think it's pre-plucked, but me, I like to go in like and pluck it in a little bit more so it can look a little bit more detailed. I believe this is a 36-inch that I ordered. I do know it was under $200. You can't beat this, y'all. Definitely get this wig. It's more on the affordable side.
Hairspray in the hair store. I'm like, it matched the theme of my room, so I might as well pick it up and get it. Spray some of this on my table. Y'all can't see on camera. I don't really like spraying like that because it gets on the hair. So the best thing to do is just take your finger and like dip it in the spray and then go around your hairline.
So since I'm still learning how to like install my lace wigs, what I did learn is when you blow dry, make sure you blow dry on cold air. It seems to like get the wig to stick on versus me using hot air. Like when I use this hot air, for me, I start to sweat, and when I start to sweat, my wigs start to lift back up. So cold air is definitely a win. Now, I normally skip like the band method. I normally skip this part, but I'm learning that you have to do this part if you want your lace to lay down more flatter and for it to stay on longer. So do not skip this. This part is very important. Make sure you put your band on your head after you done put your glue and spray and all of that good stuff on. So now that I parted my hair in the middle, and y'all see how it's all bulky and like wiggy up the top. So what you're gonna need is, what you're gonna need is your wax stick, any kind of wax stick, and then you're gonna wanna, I don't know where my hair clips are. Stuff always get like moved around in this house, but I'm gonna use this one. I use these for my locks, but I'm gonna use these for now. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna start over here. Now I don't know about y'all, but I want me a sleek middle part. So I'm probably be using a little bit of hairspray too. So just take your wax stick, twist it up, okay, and then just put like a touch of it on the roots. Make sure you have a hot comb, of course. You're gonna pull the hair like this. So the whole point of this is, like I said, is to make your hair lay flatter. You don't want it to look all wiggy and bulky and stuff. And make sure you like parting these into small sections and not big sections. Now, if you don't like product in your hair, you don't have to use the wax stick. It's honestly a choice. Most people use the wax stick because it helps them out a lot. but it might make the hair look greasy. So if you find it the best way for you to use the hot comb without the wax stick, then you can do that too as well. Forgot the hair clip. Now I know I told you guys to use the wax stick, but I was also playing around with another method. So I noticed that, like, instead of me using wax on the other side, I just kind of hot combed it with the spray. I was using the spray and I hot combed it with that, and it seemed to lay down so much better versus me putting all that product in my hair, because, you know, it gets all too much product. I hate when I put too much product on my wigs. It just makes it so greasy and like so stiff. In my next videos, I definitely will just be doing the hairspray versus the wax stick. But if you like the wax stick, definitely do it for you. But I prefer to use the spray. Hairspray over the wax, because, oh my God, the wax kind of gives it like a greasy look. Not the hairspray though. I don't like my hair looking greasy.
I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. There's never way you're looking better than me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl.
Now you're gonna want to go in with your lace melting spray. If you want your lace to like be laid and you really want it to melt into your skin, make sure you get yourself a lace melting spray. I promise you won't regret it.
I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm rocking in your face, just fight through the pain. Here's what you want, here's what you want, here's what you want, here's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, what you need. Here's what you want, here's what you want, here's what you want, here's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, whoa, 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 whoa. Smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that I say.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with.
Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna be using some black hairspray to make it like look more cut. But if you like it like this, you can use it like this. But I like mine to look crazy.
Would you still? If I'm in my mind and word, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out.
Now, y'all, if you new here and you don't know, I cannot do baby hairs to save my life, but I be trying my best. So do not judge me. This is a judge-free zone. Everybody has their own method, and here's mine, because since I don't know how to do it, the only thing I could do is try my best, my very best. I could not find my tweezers to save my life, so I just started plucking with my hands, and I did like what I could do. But yeah, this is kind of crazy. Don't do this. Make sure you got tweezers.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
I know you're not supposed to put jam in your hair, but I did. I was rushing, but I advise you guys to use like hairspray on the comb while you like styling it. It'll stay in place for a long time. But just using like the greasy jam and all of that stuff, it's gonna move out of place. Do not do this.
Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and word, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me.
So I was going for like that bald look, and I obviously don't have my tweezers to give that effect. So I went in with my concealer, and I just kind of created a shape.
I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much, don't play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be ooh, he quit rocking to me, just lost, and then he slut me on the way that I got no problem. He get too baggy, me got all that action, call and miss to handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die, get thuggish, rugged, bone. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. Trick it, fend up, rolling backwards. I'm trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from south of somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Ecstasy is just a pill away. Wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just tryna hear you say my name. Let her play a role or be a Jane. You could be my toss and toss me up. Other hoes is lacking, call me up. Put my baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. 'Cause all night, going money fast, don't make it last. Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great deal. Fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving too fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dump. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit rocking to me, just lost, and then he slut me on the way that I got no problem. He get too baggy, me got all that action, call and miss to handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die, get thuggish running.
So this is the finished look, you guys. I like how it turned out. Even though my method was like not the right method, it still came out cute. But let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Love you. Peace out.